G'day, how's it going? So I thought I'd do a quick video today just to let you know the prices of some groceries here in Bangkok. Because if you're planning to move here and you want to know the prices, you might be surprised that things are actually more expensive than you realise. Yeah, I know you can eat cheap from street food vendors and that, but when you want to do your own cooking, things aren't that cheap. So we're at Tops right in Sukhumvit. Now, I know this isn't the cheapest place. We've been to Big C and Lotus and you'll get slightly better prices, but I'll just show you some of the prices you can expect to pay, especially if you want the cereals and things like that. So let's have a quick look. So your pre-cut, there you go, 79. But around here, I think it's down to, this is the best way to buy it. Yesterday it was 89, today it's 39 baht a kilo. Chicken here is pretty cheap, so you don't have any trouble getting chicken breasts. But we found the meat, especially Thai meat. I mean, it's the colour. Yeah. Mince. You can see the prices there. What's that?
$40.
40 baht for one chicken breast. Skin on, 696 grams for 75.86. Eggs 72 baht
They
for.
come in sizes, so I've gathered that 0's the bigger egg,
Oh yeah.
and then 3 is the smaller egg, and 2's the middle.
Yeah.
So I've worked it out.
And they're in 10 packs, not 12 packs. And I don't know, back home in New Zealand and Australia, they're normally refrigerated, so.
Was that 2 for 92?
Yes, 2 for 92 for your protein. 2 litres of milk, 99.75.
So that's $5.
And this is where we come unstuck, is the cheese and the bacon, because we like our bacon and eggs for lunch. And 195 for, oh, it's down to 117, so who knows how old that is. Buy one, get one. That's pretty thin, that, 149 baht.
This is the one we're getting, 285.
So that's the one we get. How many? Feels a bit heavier. And that's 285.
Sour cream?
Sour cream, 250.
50.
New Zealand sour cream, 250. I wonder how that compares to back at home.
This here is 225.
225 for.
The Olive Grove, we can
Oh, yeah.
get back in New Zealand.
Let's carry on. So the corn thins, 109. Now I know if you're going to get some Thai brands, they're going to be a lot cheaper. But check out the price of the Lindt chocolate. 249. 249 a cake of chocolate.
So pure cocoa's is $2.99.
299.
And the Supreme Chicken Dark is $2.79.
It's 279. Yeah.
That
The Lindt.
is
Oh yeah.
$4.89.
489 for those.
This is another one too.
Oh yeah.
Tray,
Those
$6.25.
Ferrero Rocher, 625. 369 for a 3-4. Is that a 10 pack? 16 pack. So if you like your wraps, the old El Paso wraps, 159. for the small size?
These are the chunky salsas.
Only 75 for the old El Paso salsas. 119. Yeah, there's some, if you can work out the equivalent in the Thai brands, they're a lot cheaper. 50. We need some of that. 50 for the Heinz mayo. Here's the interesting part here. What are we looking at? San Reno, pasta sauce 145.
This is 49.
49 for the instant, Mac packs if you're into those.
So we've got this back at home though.
Yeah, Australian 69.
Fettuccine.
59 for the San Remo.
Honey.
These are the, here. Honey, 320. 188. I think they had some locked up, didn't they, somewhere?
They did, but that's gone.
Oh, they had the expensive stuff. It's
That
gone.
was like 1,900 baht for.
Yeah, if you like your Nutella, 209 for your Nutella. Or the small ones, 129. Oh, Vegemite. I'll buy one, get one. Vegemite, 199. They don't normally have that here, so that's the first time we've seen that. Yeah.
Peanut butter.
Your peanut butter. Jif peanut butter, 205. And the Skippy. The big one's 212, 212.
Wow, that's expensive. That's maple syrup for $8.80.
Maple syrup, 880. Jam, 166. If you like your toast in the morning. And here, Cookie Crisp, 439. I'm not familiar with these brands, but $3.99.
Milo one, $1.35.
Cocoa Pops, Kellogg's Cocoa Pops, 160. Cornflakes there, Kellogg's Cornflakes, 79 for that smaller one. Family pack, 129. Cocoa Puffs, 149. Wheat Bix here, 110 for that. The fibre multigrain, 220. Granola, 115. Kellogg's granola, 139. Geez, that's not a very big pack, is it? 220 grams. Little Wheat Bix. No idea what you're paying for that. Instant oats or quick oats, 111. It's normally more expensive than that. They've got the thing on. And sometimes you might think it's 111 and you get up there and you pay more. So sometimes the labelling's not that good. Musashi protein bars. Gee, they've sold out, 150. Right, you like your tea and coffee. Nescafe Gold, $4.99. Nescafe Gold Blend, $5.99. And you tea lovers, Ceylon tea, $3.85 for 100 tea bags. So that's that's expensive. What else are we looking at?
Twinings for 100 tea bags is $5.34.
Oh, yeah, there you go. English breakfast, 100 tea bags. Is that 100? $5.34 for that. Let me just put my glass on and see. So yeah, if you like tea bags, expensive. Now you might find that different places have them a bit cheaper. But yeah, we like our tea bags. And for you girls out there that want to check out the prices, Olay $3.99. I don't know anything about this stuff, so. But there's the prices. Buy one, get one free. So look at Pond's $5.99. That's a pretty well known brand. Garnier $14. Yep. Let's have a look along here. So these are the brands I don't know. So these are going to be a lot cheaper, I guess. Here's the deodorants, $79 for one. Where's one for buy one get one? $169. Here's the supplements. I don't understand. 1,000. Yeah, whatever brand that is.
They've got Swiss products like 920 and then
920 collagen gold.
calcium and vitamin D3 720.
Here's the moisturisers.
These sunblocks. Sunblock.
There they are, the Nivea. SPF 30, $4.99, $5.59 for the kids, 50 plus. The Nivea moisturisers, $1.99. And you've got to be careful with the moisturisers here because they have the extra bright, the little whitening stuff. They're obsessed with the whitening here, so if you're not used to that, you're going to get whiter. A lot of us like to have a little bit of a slight tan. Let's have a look at the toothpastes. Sensodyne, $319. I don't know these brands. Colgate, here we go. $99 for a double pack. And these ones here, triple pack, $145. Close up. Now we tried that close up for $49. That seemed different to what we used to get back at home, so I don't know if it's a watered down version. Double pack of the Optic. Single $149, I'll buy one, get one. So yeah, that's just a quick look of pricing. Some things are cheaper, but a lot of the stuff, if you're used to having breakfasts or your tea bags and things, quite a bit more expensive than what you get back at home. So just something to consider. I know you can eat cheaper from the street food vendors, but they can get a bit tiresome real quick. And I didn't really cover the steak because the steak in this particular one isn't, well, we haven't really had any here. Other tops in different places are a lot better, or a lot bigger. So yeah, just a quick look. Take from that whatever you like. We found the pricing a bit more expensive than what we were expecting. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.